Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change headlight bulb Infiniti QX60. Park on level ground, turn off the engine, and open the hood. First, identify the faulty bulb by turning on the lights briefly, then unplug the wiring harness carefully. Remove the dust cover and unclip the bulb retaining spring. Swap in the new bulb using gloves to avoid oil on glass, reseal the cover, and test the light. In this video, I will show how to change headlight bulb Infiniti QX60. After securing the vehicle, locate the rear of the headlight assembly and remove the dust cover by twisting or unclipping. Carefully unclip the wiring harness and set it aside, then release the bulb retaining spring and pull the bulb straight out. Inspect the socket for corrosion, replace the bulb without touching the glass, and reconnect the wiring harness firmly. In this video, I will show how to change headlight bulb Infiniti QX60. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for tidy snack prep after a long DIY session, and they keep crumbs off seats. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change headlight bulb Infiniti QX60. Use gloves or a cloth to handle the replacement bulb and avoid fingerprints on the glass. Seat the bulb into the socket by aligning the tabs, secure the retaining spring, and reconnect the wiring harness. Replace the dust cover, start the vehicle, and test both low and high beams to confirm proper installation and alignment before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.